What's up, everybody? I'm gonna teach you guys today how to make a flan, and yes, this is a re-voiceover and re-upload, don't mind that. So you need sugar, 4 eggs, I don't know why so much the eggs, a can of evaporated milk, and a can of lechera, and some vanilla extract. And you also need 2 small pans or a medium pan or something to fit in a larger pan, and of course you need a blender. So the first thing you want to do is you want to preheat your oven to 350 before doing anything. And you just want to throw everything in there. The 4 eggs, the lechera, the evaporated milk, and even though it's not really shown in the video, you want to add a splash of vanilla extract, as much as you want. And you just want to blend that real good until it's nice and smooth, all incorporated. And you just want to set that aside, and you want to start heating up your pan to a medium-low heat, just any pan. And you also need like a spatula, and you just want to put like a cup of regular white granulated sugar. I don't recommend using brown sugar or any 0-calorie sweetener. I don't think it's going to turn out good. And you just want to stir this until it melts. And on the side, you also want to start heating up some regular water from the sink. And so you just want to keep stirring your sugar. It's going to turn clumpy and like rocks, but I promise you, just keep stirring. It's going to melt. And then you just want to put that into your 2 small tins, or like the medium one, I don't know, whatever you decide. And then we just want to pour our mixture from the blender in there. Make sure they're both even, and you want to put them in the larger tin, and we're going to start putting in water that we started boiling. You can also put this in the oven and then do it, whatever is easiest for you. Both methods work. And you want to put this in the oven at 350 for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, it really depends. And to clean your pan, you want to get some hot water and scrape the sugar, and it comes off easy. And there you have it. That is your flan. You want to wait until it's cooled down to take it out of the pan. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Please like, subscribe, and comment.